Hello students, let's learn our new lesson, the three butterflies from Unit 1. You would have heard the proverb, a friend in need is the friend indeed, which means the friend who helps you in your difficulty is your true friend. So in this lesson, let's see three friends who are butterflies. So let's see what happens to them. There were once three butterflies, a pink one, a red one, and a yellow one. They played in the sunshine and danced, now on this flower, now on that, and never grew tired. So, in a garden, okay, let us take it as a garden. There were three butterflies. Okay, one butterfly is pink in color, one butterfly is red in color, and another one yellow in color. Okay, those three are friends and they were playing in the garden, sometimes on the flowers, sometimes here and there, everywhere they were playing without getting tired. Okay, so it was a sunshine, in that they are playing. Then let's see what happens next. One day it started raining and they got wet. So they flew over to a rose and said, "Good rose, please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." So one day as usual they were playing in the garden. That time it started raining. So all those three butterflies got wet. So they went to a rose for shelter. Shelter means a place where you can take rest. Okay, so for shelter they went to the rose. Okay, they want the rose to open its petals so that they can stay inside the petals. Okay, what is the petal? The part of the flower. Okay, so the leaf like structure you can see, that's the petals of the flower. Now, "I would be glad to shelter you, pink butterfly," said the rose, "for you look like me, but I won't shelter your two friends." Then what the rose said to the butterfly? It said, only the pink butterfly is allowed to take the shelter. Okay, because the color of the butterfly and the rose are same. Okay, but it said, I won't allow the other two friends. The other two friends were in the color of red and yellow, no? So the rose said, it won't allow the friends to take shelter. Now let's continue. "If you won't shelter my friends, you needn't shelter me. I'll stay wet rather than desert them," replied the pink butterfly. Then what the pink butterfly is replying? It replied, I won't take the shelter without my friends. Okay, instead of taking shelter without my friends, I would be wet itself. Okay, rather means wish. Okay, instead of taking shelter alone, I will be staying wet itself. Okay, desert meaning is leaving others helpless. Okay, instead of helping others, leaving them, no, that is called desert. Then they flew across to the sunflower and said, "Dear sunflower, open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." Okay, then these butterflies went to sunflower. Okay, so you all would have seen the sunflower, no? It will be like a sun only. Okay, it's a yellow flower with yellow big petals. So that's a sunflower. So all the butterflies went to sunflower to take the shelter. "I would be glad to shelter you, yellow butterfly," replied the sunflower, "but not the other two." So what the sunflower replied? It replied that it would give shelter only to the yellow butterfly and not to the other two butterflies. Okay, the friends, other two, it will not give a place to take shelter. Okay, glad meaning is happy. Okay, so it's happy to give shelter only to yellow butterfly, not to the other colored butterflies. If you won't shelter my friends, you needn't shelter me, said the yellow butterfly. I will stay wet rather than desert them. And so they flew away together. So what the yellow butterfly replied? Yellow butterfly also said, I don't want your shelter itself if you are not going to allow my friends. Okay, how the pink butterfly said. Same way, the yellow butterfly also said, it will stay wet rather than desert them. Okay, desert them means leaving others helplessly. Okay, so it said like that. Now the sun, who was hiding behind a cloud, had heard everything. He was happy to see the butterflies so united. He quickly chased the clouds and the rain away. So all these incidents were watched by the sun, okay, who was hiding behind a cloud. Okay, so the sun was observing everything, what had happened, everything. It heard and it observed. So after seeing that, he was happy to see the butterflies so united. Okay, those three friends are so united. So he quickly chased away the clouds and the rain. Okay. He beamed down on the garden and dried the butterflies' wings. Now they could fly from flower to flower and dance as usual for the rest of the day. Okay, so he was happy to see the friends so united, no? So he beamed down on the garden. That means the sun's rays. Okay, the sun's rays are beamed down, so that with that warmth the butterflies' wings were dried. Okay, so once the wings are dry means they can fly from flower to flower. As usual, they can dance and play in the garden. Okay, so like a help to the butterflies, because they were so united, they were good in enough to be good friends. Okay, to one another they were so good. Because of that, the sun helped like this. Okay, there ends the lesson. Okay, so these are the new words and their meanings. Okay, let me read out. Petals, the colorful parts of a flower that are sometimes shaped like leaves. Okay, so the leaf-like structure, the colorful part of the flower, that is the petals. Okay, shelter, to provide a place where someone is safe. Okay, shelter means a place where someone is safe. Which is the safest place for us? For us, our home is the safest place. So, home is our shelter. Then next word, rather, prefer or wish to. Okay, desert, not the desert which we usually we learnt, not that desert. This desert meaning is to leave someone without helping. Okay, so that's the meaning of desert in this lesson. Okay, same spelling as that desert only, but here the meaning is to leave someone without helping. Okay children, I hope you understood the lesson. I want you children to read the lesson. Okay, with this I'll wind up this video. Thank you children.